Hi everyone, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax here in beautiful Panama City Beach. I'm standing here with the all new, brand new, all redesigned Boston Whaler 280 Vantage in this beautiful Abaco blue color. If you come on back here, you'll see that it's equipped with painted white matching color Mercury Verado 300s. And let me tell you, this boat will get it. So come on aboard, I want to show you a few things. Okay, here we are aboard the all-new Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Why do they call it a Vantage? This is a family-friendly dual console model that just does everything. I'll just highlight a few things here. Look at this huge dive door we got right here. Has an attaching ladder that goes over, so when you're at the island, you want to go swimming and having fun. It's even got its own handle right here as you're coming up. You can hold on to that. You'll notice back here on the transom, you got an aft live well back here, so that keeps all of your bait fish in the back when you want to go fishing. Plenty of rod holders. Got some shotgun rod holders here. You got rod holders in the gunnel. And I want you to notice the extended swim platforms on the starboard and port side. So you can get out here and walk around, you can walk across. And if you look over here on the transom door, when you're coming aboard, notice how they conveniently locate the battery switches. Raw water wash down here. You've got in-deck live fish boxes here. Now, something I want to point out about a Boston Whaler quality. Notice how the inside of the fish boxes are built just like the outside of the boat. They're all finished. That's quality there. And notice how this lid comes up. What does that mean? That means when you're throwing fish in there, you don't have to worry about it slamming back down on top of you, okay? So all those little things add up. You've got storage here. That can dub as a cooler, all insulated. And notice this is an integrated hardtop here, okay? This is integrated into the boat with the integrated windshield. And let me show you a few more things here. So one thing I really wanted to point out was this companion lounge seating here. Notice I'm sitting and facing aft, okay? Look at the storage up underneath here. See that? Your ladder's down there, you got plenty of storage. I'll show you what this is for here in a minute. This right here is where your teak table with a pedestal will come out. So when you sit here and look at the pictures here in the link, you'll see that already configured. You'll have a table right here. Companion seating. So you've got seating here. You can sit right here, facing forward. Look how fully adjustable this is. You got so many variations of this. 5 variations. Look at that. And then look at this. How awesome is that if you just want to lay down and just relax, okay? So we'll lift this back up here. If you come around here and notice, look at the storage up here in front of the companion seat. So this whole compartment here underneath this companion lounging seating is storage. Notice a nice, beautiful captain's chair here. You've got a sink right here. More storage here. And notice everywhere you sit on the boat, you've got things like cup holders and all that. And look at this beautiful integrated hardtop. Got handrails here. So if it's a little sporty out and you need to hold on, you can do that. Notice how it's all painted white. And look at this beautiful windshield. So what all this means is if you get into some elements and you're out there on the water and you get into a rain shower or it's a little chilly day, you can really close this off and just be warm in here, okay? At the helm here, notice how easy all of your controls are right at your fingertips. Already designed to put your favorite electronics in here. It comes with your Fusion stereo with J&L audio speakers, shifting controls. You've got joystick, the Mercury joystick, which is awesome. If you haven't used that, you got to come down and check that out. Let me take you out in the water so you can use that. Now, look at the size of this head here. How beautiful is that? That is a real porcelain head. Plenty of room in there. 6'3", 4", you can get in there, no problem at all. Love the teak accent down there. As you move forward here to the bow, you've also got some more storage. As you close this off, you've got more storage down below here. You got another table there that goes either on the bow or aft. Not to mention, this boat does come with covers for the boat as well, which is a nice feature. And you come up here to the bow, look at all the room you have up here. You're talking about a good day on the island or riding out to your favorite fishing spot. You can go ahead and camp, and I'd love to enjoy the ride. Got my recessed handrail here. Look at all the sun lounge room area here. Absolutely gorgeous. Cup holders everywhere, JNL audio speakers everywhere. Also has a windlass anchor up front there, easy accessible to reach. It also, I gotta point this out, so you can enter the boat from the bow if you're at the island or swimming, or at the transom. There's your windlass anchor, and notice how you've got a freshwater sprayer here. So if you want to climb aboard the boat and you're out on the island and you want to spray that salt off of you, you can do that from the front of the boat as well. And like I said, notice up here you can access your stereo controls from up here. You got plenty of chargers, USB ports all around the boat. And of course you can remove this if you want to remove this out of your way to have more of a walkthrough. But folks, let me tell you, this brand new 280 Vantage is just an incredible boat. What separates it from all the other competitors? The quality, the finish, the ride. Come on down and see me, Kenny Brown, here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I'd love to take you out on this boat. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water. Thanks.